never knew what love could do to a heart that is surrendered. Found out the truth when I met you. Now my heart is yours forever. You're the one I wanna dance with for the rest of my life. You're the one I wanna hold and never let go. Without you I'd be lonely.
When I found you, I found somebody who cares. When I found you, found my most intimate prayer. When I found you, I found what every heart dreams of. When I found you, I found love.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid?
This afternoon, we're here and we're here for a happy occasion. We're here, dearly beloved, we are gathered to join together this man and this woman in holy matrimony. Will thou take this woman to be thy wedded wife, to live together after God's ordinances in the holiest estate? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keeping thee only unto her, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Very nice. Miss Natasha Robinson, will thou have this man to be thy wedded husband, to live together after God's holy ordinances in the holiest estate of matrimony? Will thou obey him and serve him, love him and honor him, and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep thee only unto him, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I found a love.
I, DEMAR, Anderson, take thee
Natasha May Robinson,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold
have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
better for better, for better for worse,
For better for worse, come
for
again.
better for worse,
better for worse,
for richer for poorer,
richer for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love, to cherish, to obey, till death do according to God's, and thereto I give thee
Mr. and Mrs. DeMar Anderson. And congratulate them. My job here is done.
I had a dream so big and loud, I jumped so high
two hearts can come together, and love can last forever. But now that I have found you, I believe that a miracle has come when God sends a perfect one. Now gone are all my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life.
Too much history have you make it so hard to live, yeah. What you do? Big old man thing, me not just want you, me need ya. What you do? I must show you so tight. No matter how much we cause we fight, to a way I go alright. That's life.
Song, just give us and sing the man say, girl, I'm money in here.
All right.
It is time to be walking.
The first time I met you, I couldn't forget you.
Yo, I'm not thinking about an intro. Just play the song.
Girl, I'm renamed Chronix. Yes, I am. And I will give you everything what you want, girl. One thing that make you please, don't you take my for granted.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. I am very nervous, so actually I've written down my speech. Natasha and I are co-workers. Natasha is a person. Natasha is a person. She's someone who encourages others and actually assists others in improving themselves in any way possible that she can. Natasha is a truly amazing person for what she. Natasha is always true to herself, and she's a truly amazing. She's truly amazing for what she does with her imperfections. I admire how passionate she and DEMAR is in their love for each other. DEMAR treats Natasha like a queen that she is. He's an amazing dad to their beautiful daughter, my goddaughter of course, Malika Jade. DEMAR gets along with everyone. When I first met DEMAR, it felt like I had known him from a very long time. It didn't feel like just meeting him. And with that said, I just want to wish you both a lifetime of love and happiness, and may you always be surrounded by family and friends that loves you.
So first and foremost, I've been banned from saying certain words, such like, okay, and I've been banned from doing saying certain embarrassing stories like, I wish not to say. Okay. For me, I've known DEMAR since, yeah, it's been like, what, more like 20 years? Too long. When I first met DEMAR, I had the same impression as Nicole here. DEMAR is the type of person, if anybody know him, and him start talk to you, he talk to you like he didn't know you 5 years ago. And then we sleep together as kids, and then we grew up in one room. And yeah, man, that's the type of person DEMAR is. He's always social, always willing to go the extra mile for his friends, which we all appreciate, right? If you know DEMAR, you know one thing about DEMAR. He's a people person, right? DEMAR is somebody that will negotiate things in a way that you just stand up and be like, how? Right? All in all, I was there. Oh, I can't say me there. So I can't say me there. That's not legal? Alright, so I did that when NATASHA and DEMAR did start talk. In all honest truth, I was very shocked that he chose her to talk to, because she's not the normal type of person he would talk to. But as the relationship grew, I got to know NATASHA and realized how well they fit together. So I did that when the test did go on, and you know, them did a stride float and would have walk out and would have touch road, and you know. And I did that when DEMAR linked me and said, yo, I have to gear the ones over, you know. And then I did that when him did say, boy, Diane, I have to look at ring, you know. And I did that when the boy I go on one knee and me on one back. Yeah. It sounds like I'm here the one who want to Christ, But I did that. I saw the development of you guys' beautiful relationship. You guys have grown together not only in just being persons. I've seen how NATASHA actually impacts DEMAR. I've seen how DEMAR impacts NATASHA. It's a beautiful thing to find somebody you can actually grow with, have a child with, marry and live your life with. And I just want to tell you that DEMAR is an awesome person. I know he will treat you outstandingly, and I know you will treat him the same. I want to wish you guys the best throughout life, and hope that, well, I'll be there 50 years to celebrate with you guys. So I want to ask you guys to read. Alright, so I want to ask you guys to raise your glasses with me and toast into this beautiful couple. May they live long, prosper, 60 years until death.
Congratulations on the termination of your isolation, and may I express an appreciation of your determination to end the desperation and frustration which has caused you so much consternation in giving you the inspiration to make this combination, and later on to bring an accumulation to the population. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Anderson. Oh, one more thing. I know you're going off on your honeymoon, so I want to give you one last advice. Don't let your honeymoon be more than 7 days, okay? You know why? I thought you would. Well, your honeymoon, Mrs. Anderson, should not be more than 7 days, because you know it takes 7 days to make a whole week. My name is Ryan Dixon, the Debonair MC. Have yourselves a wonderful evening, let's dance. Let's have ourselves a good time. But before we go, we can't leave without the groom giving his response. So ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for Mr. DeMar Anderson.
First begin by saying thank you for each and everyone who took the time out to be here tonight to celebrate this wonderful occasion. Hold on. Sorry. Before I get into it, I would like to say a big thank you to the bridal party, the groomsmen, the bridesmaid. It really wouldn't have been possible without these persons. Individually, everybody know Guyana. If you know Guyana, you know say like literally Guyana is like the third person in this relationship. Literally. Kevin, aka Small William Garden. Don't know. I'm down here to know. Even though he looks small, I'm literally 30 years old. He's right there, so. everybody, Nicole, Shakara, Cassandra, Courage, it has been a blessing. To everybody else who is a part of the distinguished guests, I want to thank everybody for being here tonight. Arnella.
Next, Denny.
Oh! Denny and Marvel. I'm sorry. Those are family that become different than on the first section. To Arnella, she is the person responsible for that wonderful spring roll that you had. This person right here. So if you're getting married and you want a personal chef, you can contact this person. That said, I know it's kind of late, so persons might want to head out, but if you don't want to head out, we are going to be here for a while, a little longer if you want. We have some drinks at the bar if you want to have a drink. If you want to stay back and just have a line with us, we'll be here for a little longer if you want, right? With that said, I want to say thank you.
Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you push me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong when I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah. Never gonna not hit by your love and it's just to me. And every time you hit my phone, then you say you need company. Oh, I'ma run up on you. 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 I'ma run up.